Chicken Stroganoff. We'll be needing 1 kilo of chicken fillet, cleaned and dried. Take out all the extra skin on the chicken fillet and slice it in the manner that you see. Place the sliced chicken in a bowl and season them. Add half a teaspoon of garlic paste, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Mix well. On a medium-high heat, in a large non-toxic skillet, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and then add the chicken. Cook the chicken for 5 to 10 minutes on each side or until there is no juice and they're golden. Wash and clean 700 grams of mushrooms and then slice them in the manner that you see. Chop thinly 1 medium-sized onion. When the chicken gets golden color and ready, place them in a bowl and set them aside. In the same skillet, add 3 tablespoons of butter and then add the chopped onions. Gently sweat for 1 minute and then add the sliced mushrooms on top. After 5 minutes, the mushrooms should turn into golden brown and release their juice. This is when you add 4 tablespoons of flour. I'm using here whole wheat flour. Then mix well. After 3 minutes, add gradually 3 cups of water and mix. When all the flour dissolves in the water, add 1 teaspoon of chicken stock powder. Then add 1 cup of sour cream. If sour cream is not available, you can add 1 cup of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Add 3 tablespoons of good quality of Dijon mustard and then mix. If you're using cheese, use a non-toxic silicone whisk to dissolve the cheese. Bring it to boil on medium-high heat and add the chicken. Add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of white pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well and cook for 4 more minutes. And then it's done. Serve on top of fettuccine. Garnish with a sprinkle of paprika. If you need to reheat it the next day, just add some more yogurt.